Hey guys, Ceiling Fans Clocks, Minecraft, Roblox, and more. Back with another Roblox Ceiling Fan video here. We're looking at today is a HomeAire Slim. This fan is located in the back porch of Flop Productions 7's Roblox house. Looks like it's in a black finish or something like that, and it has, I'm guessing bleached oak blades, but I don't know for sure. This fan reminds me of those Modern Hugger fans, like the Harbor Breeze Sales stream and some other ones I can't really remember off the top of my head. But yeah, without further ado, I'll go ahead and demonstrate this fan, starting with the light. That's all the 3 light levels there. And here is low. The low speed looks aesthetic on this, which is pretty cool. I think it's about as slow as like speed 2 on my Casablanca Artisan, but I don't know for sure. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and put it on medium. It's starting to move more air right now. I'm hoping this is an outdoor rated fan since this is installed on the back porch. And for those of you who don't know about HomeAire, it's not a real life ceiling fan company. It's just based in Roblox. But yeah, I'll go on ahead and put it to high. It doesn't go super fast, but I'm hoping that the airflow will be fine in this fan. Oh. High speed is probably about average for modern day fans, but I don't know for sure. But yeah, hopefully it does blow a good amount of air. I know you can't feel the airflow in Roblox also. But yeah, I'm just estimating the airflow. There's a light while it's on high. Then I'll shut it off. We'll do spin down. You don't have to watch the whole spin down if you don't want though. Looks like someone joined me here just now. I'll be done with the video soon anyways. Oh yeah. And then another one joined me. As you can see in the player list right there. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.